Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have this dumbbell bench, and here you guys can see what it is. It's made by FLYBIRD. This is the box. There's nothing much, so let's take it out. So here we took out the bench, so let's first take it out of this wrap. It also has it has a paper with two like locks. Up to So here's the bench. You guys can see it folds like this. Then you can unfold it like so. So now we can unfold it, and now it can be, you can then put in different positions like this. To set it, you have this over here, and you also have it on the bottom with the locks. You can, over here you have the manual and lockers, so you can like put this in here so it doesn't move, kind of like that. And then you also have the manual. See, it just tells you how to set it up, but it's really simple. There isn't really anything much. This is foldable. You can put it in different positions. If you take this out, you can see you can set it up like this. You can set it up like that. Now you can sit on top of here. And it also comes with this part, which I think, let me check where this goes. This part here goes down here on the bottom. So we can just put this in here and screw it up. So you guys can see this is the whole bench. You can do a bunch of different exercises with dumbbells and stuff. It's pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.